All right. So if you have 510 millimeters of mercury, you want to convert that to atmospheres, here's how you do it. So we need a conversion factor here. And that conversion factor is that 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So we're going to multiply our 510 millimeters of mercury times this conversion factor over here. So we want to have millimeters of mercury on the bottom, so that way it can cancel out. So we're going to put our 760 millimeters of mercury here in the denominator, and then the 1 atmosphere, we'll put that in the numerator. So this is our conversion factor here. When we multiply, you can see millimeters of mercury on the top and bottom, they're gone. We're left with atmospheres. That's what we want. So 510 divided by 760, we get 0.6710. Let's call it 0.671. And the units will be ATM, because everything else canceled out. We're left with ATM. That's how we know we did it correctly. It's Dr. B converting 510 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres.